Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about the latest Dell T130 and T140 servers. If you've got a business and you've got 5 or 6 computers but you want to have the security of having a server, these are a great solution for your needs. We normally bundle that with Windows Server Essentials 2019, so that limits you to 25 users, which is normally pretty sufficient for most small businesses. The unit itself, it's got the Xeon processor. It can go up to 64 gigs of RAM, and you can put in multiple hard drives. We recommend going on a RAID 1 with 1 or 2 terabytes of storage where they're mirrored with each other. And the unit's going to start, the base model is about $1,000, and then by the time you've added the operating system, the memory and the extra hard drives, you're going to be in the $2,000 range. So if you're looking for an entry-level, inexpensive server that's going to stand the test of time, come on into Impress Computers and we'll get you fixed up. 281-647-9977.